La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque, oh oh. La belle époque. La belle époque.
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. We have a beautiful weather today. It's very hot, and we just arrived here in the lake because today we're gonna be spending the entire day in the boat. So we have Camila and Emilka. They picked us up in the house this morning at like 10 a.m. was it? And we are finally here. Look, it is like probably 20 minutes drive away from Robbie's house, and look, we have a very good sunshine, and the boat is over there, the red one. So Camille is there, he's getting the boat and drag it going here in the pier or in this platform. We got our stuff in there, and look, we have some kayak. A lot of people are out and about. We've actually passed by this area over there where there's so many people camping. It's very nice. I can't believe how many people are camping actually this weekend. Guys, look how beautiful and peaceful it is today. Ooh, it will be very hot. I think it can get hot up to 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Are you gonna swim today? Back! You got your swimsuit.
Cold water.
Is it cold, eh? Oh no. It's cold water, guys.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying.
Śpiewaj.
Sandal moje, serce
And the clouds
moje,
are closing in.
imataki,
They say I know this, but the last days it losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong.
Hello everyone, we're now here in the boat and we have started our boating session. Actually, we are going on a different route this time. We would normally go to somewhere close where we get on, but this time we are going to somewhere far. This is a very nice lake, you know, it's actually very huge, and there's like little islands from one place to another, and we have some people here doing some kayaks. I can see a lot of people are going in this lake and they're all swimming and they're just like being in the sun. It's so fun to watch. Anyway, I want to take this opportunity to thank 3 people that have sent their gifts, their present for my birthday. First up, thank you so much to Rock Out 1180. Thank you so much for the gift through Super Thanks. I truly appreciate your generosity. And then second, thank you so much to Bogdan. Dziękuję bardzo, bardzo dziękuję. I was not expecting that. That's really huge and I'm so happy for it. And of course, third, we have Panianek, Paniyanko, bardzo dziękuję, dziękuję bardzo. I'm so happy for all the gifts that I have received on my birthday, guys. And actually, the other day, Anya went to the house and she brought a birthday gift for me, which I'm gonna show you later on, maybe when we get home. And also, Emilka and Camille brought a gift for me as well. So, bardzo dziękuję, dziękuję bardzo. They're right in front of me. Yeah, thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. I truly appreciate you. There was like so many comments in that video. I think more than 400 plus. and I had a lot of fun. My heart is full of gratitude just reading all of you guys' birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Anyway, let's enjoy the sun today. We are going quite far now. I could not see where we actually started. Look how calm the water is. And we have like people kayaking over there. Normally like old people. It's so fun to watch. Yeah. Look, we're going, I think we're gonna go over there. It's a perfect day to be in the boat. Here they are. Very nice. Oh, we're going fast. Very good.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait.
Guys, we are getting off the boat. We're gonna go to the forest, do lasso. The water is actually pretty cold. The boat is parked over there. This is actually the last end of the lake, so we cannot go farther than this. Alright, there's a bridge over there. Robbie's gonna fly the drone for you guys. So you guys will see the bird's eye view of how beautiful this lake is. So let's go. The water here is very clear. I can see some shell and oh, it's very nice. So, look, beautiful. Cześć. Turista. You're like a hiker. Professional hiker. Wow.
This is Mazuri.
Yes.
That's what it is, Mazuri. That's what describes Mazuri. Like this.
Yes.
Forest, lake,
Tak.
kayaking.
Serenity. Fishing. Tak. Okay, this is where Camel will be fishing, guys. Now he's making the food for the fish. So what is it in there, honey?
Corn
Corn
and worms.
and worms. Oh my gosh. You're feeding the fish with worms. Do they like the worms, huh? Maybe they like, oh, he's mixing it with voda. And he's gonna throw it maybe over here. See, this one is a bit deeper. There's a bridge. And I think there's a lot of fish in this area. Oh, there's some people in here. They're bringing their kayaks. Very nice. So he's gonna do it right here. He's throwing the food now to the fish. Let's see. Oh, he's going over there.
It's been a long, hard season. I'm feeling weary to my bones. I guess that's my reason. I've packed my bags and now I'm gone. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed. That's where you find me. Working on my fishing skills in a little boat that I rent. Ain't got nothing but time to kill. No vacation's been more heaven sent. Somewhere between the sun and the deep blue sea. That's where you find me. Tender red, flat out on a beach bed.
Ogaj, ogaj.
No, już tam nie przesadzaj.
It's very cold, Jude. Oh mój Boże.
A trzeba zadzwonić do Jarka, czy one daleko są?
O Jezu. No, build more.
My goodness.
Ale zimna.
I cannot. Oh, this is very cold. See, I'm just here. Feeling crazy. Wow. You have to swim, honey.
Nie,
Come on, they're all
nie
swimming.
idę do
Huh?
wody.
Look. Nice here.
Freezing.
Yeah.
Nie pszukaj aby na mnie. O.
Na pewno.
A pszuknij na nią. Daj mi. No,
Yeah. I hope.
co tam, zadzwonić do ciebie? Daj mi to.
Come on with me.
Trzymaj taką. Widzisz, że to
I have
nagrywa.
microphone.
Mikrofon w górę.
Yes.
Się pytam, gdzie jest, nie?
I'm gonna go to the Buddha. That's it. That's it.
Bym ją popsikał trochę. Z góry. Dobra, schowaj to, bo miał psika.
But
Dobra,
Ale nie
how
chcesz-
is the woda?
Nie chcesz się ochłodzić?
very cold. Absolutely cold.
Kamina!
That's it. You gotta go into the water now. Muy Boże.
Better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails.
Hello guys. I am walking in the lake and there's actually so many mussels underneath. Wow. But they're not getting them. Maybe it's not the mussel that you can eat. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but look, there's so many mussels. I think they're not like alive though. The shell looks like broken, but there's so many of them. The boat is over there. Emilka is cleaning the boat. She's brushing it. The name of the boat is Emilka. And then this is the bridge. And this is the end of the lake. You cannot go further than that. I don't think the boat can go underneath though. It's not that high. And this is how peaceful and beautiful this lake is. This is Missouri, guys. See, everybody just go, what's this? Wakeboarding? No, paddling. And then kayaking. They have little boats and then they just stay in one place and then they get off the boat and swim. But Cześć! Glad is there. Looking so professional. Oh, look. Did you get some? Tak? Za dużo? Ah, look how peaceful the water is. So, wow. Very good. Very far. Wow, I love it here.
I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting
So to yes. Guys, we got a catch finally. Look.
To może tak pociągnął wpuścić.
Oh my Boże. So small. Uj.
Ona rusza się.
Łap ładnie i lekko wyciągnij.
Very small.
A ja wiem, jak ona się tu nadziała.
O, całego robaka. Zjadła.
O, patrz.
Oh. Oh. Na razie.
Na razie. Pływaj.
Oh, there he is. So small.
We are dreamers of the shore. Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Ooh, wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there.
Dobra, we made it here in the island. And we're gonna have a bed here. We're gonna have lunch kibasa. We're grilling kibasa, guys. Look, it smells so good. So. Very hot today. Oh.
We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the
Hello guys, update. The time now is 5:30 p.m. and we were gonna have dinner already, but we went to this restaurant that we went to last time. We normally go there, but when we got there, there was like 2 hours wait time. That's super crazy. So now we are back here where we started. So there's also a restaurant here. This is actually where Camila and Emilka parked their boat, and I don't know if there is available table for us because looks like this restaurant is also pretty busy. There's so many people out today. I can't believe how many kayaks have I seen in this lake. Let's see, look how many people are in this restaurant as well.
right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Ooh, we are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the